Feeling overwhelmed by endless to-dos? Let's tame that chaos and transform it into organized productivity by mastering task creation in Trello in just 90 seconds. First, head over to your Trello board and locate the list where you want to add your new task. This could be a to-do, in progress, or completed list, or whatever best fits your workflow. Click on the Add a Card option at the bottom of the list. A small window will pop up where you can type in the name of your task. Make it clear and concise so you know exactly what needs to be done. For example, write blog post on Trello task management. Press Enter or click Add Card to create the new card now. Click on the newly created card to open it up and access its details. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Members to assign the task to yourself or a teammate. This ensures accountability and keeps everyone on the same page. Next, set a due date by clicking on the option. This helps you prioritize and stay on track with your deadlines. Don't forget to add a detailed description of the task. This is the perfect place to outline the specifics, requirements, and any relevant information needed to complete the task successfully. For larger tasks, break them down into smaller, manageable steps using checklists. This keeps you motivated and makes the overall project less daunting. And there you have it, a perfectly created task in Trello, complete with assigned members, due dates, detailed descriptions, and helpful checklists. Use these techniques to organize your projects and skyrocket your productivity. Happy Trelloing!